High achievers are often praised for their preparation, precision, and planning. But sometimes those same strengths become a trap. You might find yourself endlessly refining a proposal, delaying a launch, or hesitating to speak up, not because you're unqualified, but because you don't feel 100% ready yet. In this lecture, we will break down the illusion that clarity and confidence must come before action. You will learn how the pursuit of readiness fuels the overthinking loop and how to move forward even when you're unsure. Because waiting to feel perfectly ready isn't caution, it's avoidance in disguise. We will show you how to shift from hesitation to healthy momentum, using a strategy that meets your high standards without paralyzing progress. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to recognize not ready as a mental stall, not a real obstacle. Spot perfectionism disguised as preparation. Use the 70% rule to take action with clarity, not certainty. The lie that sounds smart. High achievers often believe, I'll start once I feel more confident. But ready is not a starting point. It's a side effect of action. Most confidence is built, not found. You don't get clear by thinking harder. You get clear by doing the thing, even while nervous. The science also backs it up. A 2016 study in Personality and Social Psychology Review showed that taking action, even without full confidence, leads to greater belief in your abilities over time. In other words, action generates belief and overthinking drains it. Example, freelance freeze. A freelancer had a complete portfolio, a polished website, and 0 clients. Why? She kept saying, I don't think I'm ready to put myself out there. She retook a course, rewrote her bio, and tweaked her logo again. Finally, her mentor asked, Are you improving or are you hiding? That landed. She posted one Instagram story with her rates. Within 24 hours, she booked her first client. What changed? Not her skills, but her willingness to move through fear. Why smart people still wait? There are a few very pertinent reasons for it. Perfectionism. You're used to praise for doing it right. Imperfection feels unsafe. Control. More prep feels like control. Action feels like risk. Fear of judgment. Failure isn't just about the result, it feels personal. Tool, the 70% rule. If you're 70% sure, you're ready enough. That last 30% usually shows up after you start, not before. Ask yourself, do I know enough to try? Am I stalling out of fear? What's one next step I can take now? The truth is, ready is a feeling we chase, but rarely catch. You don't need 100% certainty. You need enough clarity to act. Progress isn't built on perfection. It's built on showing up with what you have, where you are.